All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. Altcoin Tuesday. Hope everything is solid in your world of crypto, in the cryptoverse. I had a real suggestion here a little while ago, a request from a mate to cover Cardano. I don't normally cover Cardano, but hey, it's Altcoin Tuesday. What the hell? And you know what? There's some interesting things forming up right now for Cardano to make a move here in the next week or so. In terms of it's kind of gone away. If you look at the social media index, if you look at a lot of the other on-chain metrics, it did have a 37% bump up, like with everything else here in this latest little run up. Correlated with all the other altcoins, obviously with Bitcoin and Ethereum, from around July 20th to the 26th, steadily moved back up, hit massive wall per usual. That's common. And it's sold back down now. So it's an interesting play really here. Let's open it up. Obviously, we're going to look at the 4-hour. That's where we always start. We are on the Bityard exchange, bityard.com. If you're not familiar with that, check it out. It's a really, really great exchange for varied altcoins that you may not have on some of these other exchanges that only have a half a dozen or so assets available to them. Okay, so here we are on the 4-hour we got some technical indicators open up on this chart. We've got the RSI open and we have the cloud open, which is always a good thing to use when you're just taking a look at something for the first time after a break, or you've never looked at a particular chart, to just kind of get an indication of trend line, baselines, conversion lines, those things that are important in making these determinations, as well as your on-chain metrics. So we're at 124, 125 Cardano today. Like I said, it's coming off a 37% rise from right here from July 20th to the 26th. And when we got a really, really here on the 25th of July, obviously we know what was going on there over the weekend. Boom. And it reached a wick of just under that 140 area. Now, 140 area is a critical area because, historically speaking, that 140 channel is the 2018 high for Cardano, which has been broken before, okay, earlier in 2021. The 2021 high is back in May at 251. So there's definitely some top to bottom here, obviously a wide zone open up if Cardano can break out of the 140 channel. Now, getting there from 124, 125. Right now, Cardano's got critical support at 119 and then massive support down at 105. Okay, we've played that 105 level before. We know that's down there. Kind of have that in your back pocket. 119 is going to be the support level below here at 124. And so when you take a look at this zone here that I have marked, there's 124 current price. The latest short-term top was 135. I don't count the wicks, mates. I know some other people do. To me, wicks are anomalies. I go for the solid bar, so 135. So we've got a 10 cent, 11 cent zone set up for Cardano here. Now, you've got symmetrical triangles working depending on whether you're looking at the lower formations or not. Bullish momentum divergence is certainly something you want to pay attention to, okay? But the biggest thing you want to pay attention to is 127, okay? That's your on-chain. Doesn't have to be your technical, but that's your on-chain resistance, okay? Supply and demand barriers. 127 to 131, and then 131 to 135. That 131 to 135, mates, is 188,000 addresses of people accumulating Cardano worth $3.7 billion. That is a massive, for Cardano, a massive level here to overcome, which is why it sold back down, okay? Because it reached that barrier. Keep in mind, its 50-day SMA is also right around that, in the middle of that IOMAP accumulation barrier, okay? So that you break through this level right here, you're going to spring to 140. And then hopefully Cardano can break out at 140. Now, if Cardano continues that rally here, obviously we're hearing on this 4-hour chart, we've got a red stick here.